Hello, in front of me I've got Audi SQ5. In this video I'll show you things you should know before buying this car. In the beginning, check for full dealer or specialist history, including any thermostat, engine cooling, work, and regular gearbox servicing. Inspect for water leak and sunroof drain, issues known on some 2018 Q5s, as these can damage electronics. Ensure fuel, tires, and big brake replacements are all costly for this class of vehicle. Test the infotainment, cameras, and all driver assist features thoroughly for glitches. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment, and subscribe.